promises you made vanished, then made me cry.
Hi guys, welcome back to Princess and Mom channel. I'm going to show you how I make this suya at home. So these are the ingredients I'm going to use: my pepper, my maggi, and my salt, and my beef, which is my cow meat. So that is my suya spices. Without the suya spices, more you are not going anywhere. So that is my suya spices, and I have two and my skewers. So my oil, which is the spray one, and I also have the big one because it's like the spray one is a little bit small. So I have my bowl of water that I'm going to put these skewers inside so that it will soak there, because I'm going to put them inside the oven because I'm going to make the suya myself at home. It's so delicious, you will like it. So guys, I'm just going to leave it for like some minutes before I mix everything together. So I'm going to turn all the pepper, the maggi, and the salt. I'm going to turn everything inside the cow meat. So I'm just going to mix everything together. Please make sure you cut your cow meat very flat, so because you know you are going to put them inside the oven. So I'm just going to add a little bit oil to it, so that I'm going to turn everything together with my hand. So I don't have the hand glove, so I use my nylon. So you can still use your nylon if you don't have the hand glove. Now I'm going to turn my suya spices inside. So I'm going to mix everything together, you know, so that it will bring out that lovely and delicious taste. Oh my god, go and do this at home. Go and do it by yourself, you will love it. It is so delicious, and you are going to see the lovely and beautiful results. So I'm going to leave this and cover it for 1 hour. Now 1 hour is here, so I'm just going to open everything. Now look at my suya. Look at my suya and my newspaper. So I have the suya spices, and now I'm going to put the cow meat inside these skewers. So I'm just going to put them one after the other, maybe like 5 in 1, 5 in 1. So guys, I'm going to leave you guys to watch this video to the end. Please do not forget to subscribe to Princess and Mom channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to Princess and Mom channel, and also turn off the notification bell so that you may notify anytime I upload a new video. And if you see this video helpful to you, do not forget to like, share, and if you have anything to say about the video, feel free and drop it at the comment section below. I will be there to answer you. Okay guys, thank you so much. See you guys later. Bye.
Oh, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. Dreams of tomorrow faded to dust. Loved you so deeply and you I trust. You never looked back once, did you know how much I suffered in this undertow? Echoes of laughter haunt these halls. A love once strong now turns to walls. Emmanuel whisper to me in dreams, living in shadows, so it seems. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I could live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies. Tears reflect the pain in my eyes. promises you made vanished then. Made me cry every night again and again. Never knew it could hurt me this much. When you said you were gone, lost your touch. Ooh, no, I screamed to the night. Never wept this hard in the dim light. Emmanuel, why'd you walk away? You left my heart in disarray. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories, wish they weren't lies.
Okay guys, so I'm just through with my suya. I just break it out from the oven. Now I'm going to slice my onions. You know, there is no suya without onions, so that's why I slice my onions. So I'm just going to remove all the suya from the skin wraps. So guys, it's really delicious. Go and try this. Go and do this by yourself and stop buying outside. Okay, so you buy your cow meat by yourself, you prepare it by yourself. Is really good, and it is so delicious. Go and try it. Make sure you have all the ingredients. So you have pepper, you have salt, you have your Maggi cube, so you have the soya spicy, so you are good to go, and you have your meat, you are good to go. So yes, my suya. Then after this, I'm going to put my onions. So I don't add tomatoes and cucumber because I don't like them. I only love the onions. So you know, there is no suya without newspaper. That is why I wrap it with newspaper. So I'm just going to add my onions. Oh my god, it's so delicious. Okay guys, thank you so much guys for watching. See you guys in my next video. Bye.
Deflect the pain in my eyes. No, I say no, I won't let you go. I can live without the sorrow you chose. Caught up in memories.